Hi there, folks. Caleb Odie from Everett Community College here with some updates and resources.
To help us keep track, I'm going to break this down according to our Get Started checklist, which can be found at everettcc.edu/getstarted.
The first 4 steps, which include exploring our educational pathways, applying for admissions online, finding ways to pay for college, and completing orientation, remain the same. You'll still be able to complete these steps online as you have in the past. We are offering assistance with these steps in the form of virtual admissions workshops. If you'd like to join us, you can sign up for one at everettcc.edu/visit. For placement, most students need math and English placement before registering for classes. Proper placement ensures you are in the right classes to be successful. In order to receive placement, a student would either submit a placement form online with test scores or transcripts, or take the AccuPlacer assessment. To review the alternative placement options before taking the AccuPlacer, please visit everettcc.edu/placement. We have expanded our math placement to include any high school math class completed within the last 5 years instead of 2, though other placement options may be more suitable depending on the student. Students can place into English by following a self-guided placement form. Students can still take the AccuPlacer test to place into English. The AccuPlacer test is untimed and is not pass-fail. It is a tool to help you and your advisor select the right classes for you to be successful. The AccuPlacer assessment is being offered online via Zoom.
Now on to entry advising and pathway selection. Whether you know what you want to pursue or need a little assistance, the advising team is working diligently to help students prepare for their time at Everett Community College. While we look forward to resuming in-person advising in the future, entry advising is being offered via virtual office hours on Zoom. This is drop-in advising, no appointment is necessary. You'll need to have completed the other steps before meeting with an advisor. But after that, you can find the hours and link for the virtual office at everettcc.edu/advising.
After that, it's just a matter of registering for classes and paying your tuition and fees. This too is all completed online. Now, if you are an Everett Community College student with expenses related to the disruption of Everett Community College operations due to COVID-19, you may qualify for a federal CARES Act grant, which provides emergency funding for college students.
The application for fall quarter will be available September 1st.
You must be enrolled for fall quarter to apply. You can find more information at everettcc.edu/cares. Additionally, if a student that is currently registered requires a Chromebook or wireless hotspot to be successful in their classes, we are loaning these out for free to students. You can submit a request through your MyEvCC portal. To find the latest dates and deadlines, you'll want to head over to everettcc.edu/deadlines. Please know that we are continuing to offer support services virtually. This includes our Diversity and Equity Center, the Center for Disability Services, TRIO, and MESA, to name a few. Please reach out to the office or service of your choice if you need assistance. We're here to help.
Now we know you may have additional questions or be on the hunt for additional information or resources. If that's the case, we would love to hear from you. You can email outreach at everettcc.edu, call us at 425-388-9040, or text us and several other departments at the college at 425-382-7533. Thank you for your time, and on behalf of Everett Community College, we look forward to hearing from you.